Using the Rave application with friends is quite simple. Today I will guide you through the steps to use the Rave app to watch content together with your friends. First, open the Rave application on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, search for Rave in your App Store and download it. Once you open the app, you'll see that it allows you to watch videos simultaneously with others. To start watching with friends, go to the Friends section and add your friends by either searching for their usernames or inviting them through other social media platforms. Once your friends are added, tap on the plus icon to start a new session. You can choose from various streaming services available on Rave. For instance, if you want to watch Netflix together, select Netflix from the options. You and your friends will need to log into your Netflix accounts within the Rave app. After logging in, you can choose a movie or show and Rave will synchronize the playback so that everyone is watching at the same time. This way you can chat and enjoy the content together. That's all there is to it. Now you and your friends can enjoy watching videos together using the Rave app.